So next in the checklist, you'll see an option to install the LinkedIn Insight tag. This is our website tracking pixel that allows you to understand who is visiting and their actions on your website, as well as retarget them in future campaigns. So while it's not required to launch your campaign, it is a one-time setup that just takes minutes and really unlocks powerful benefits for your campaigns. So we'll click into it and you'll see there's three install options. Manually add the code to your website yourself. You can quickly copy the code and paste the code to your website footer. Now you can also forward the code via email to a developer that you work with, and they can install it on your behalf. Or you can use any of the tag manager tools from this list. If you click into one of the links on the list, there's actually dedicated instructions that show you how to implement the insight tag through the specific tag manager. So the insight tag will start passing data as soon as it's been correctly installed on your website. And you'll see the red unverified status that we saw earlier on the top of this page turn to a green verified status once that happens.